malayo pa tayo doon. We still have to have a look at really what her status is, and then of course we are aware of the request for clemency from her representatives, of course, and from her family, and we will leave it to the legal judgment of our legal experts to determine whether the provision of clemency is appropriate. So we'll have to look at the wala namang condition ang binigay ng Indonesia, so it's really up to us, but we're still at a very preliminary stage for pag-uwi.